We are back. We got some packages in from the US of A. We got a 2010 Camaro 6.2 liter water pump. Bam! Look at that thing. Yes. Fire me up. Simplistic. Nice. Will go below my throttle body. The truck one would obviously contact it. I could have bent it over a little bit, but you know what? I'm building this thing right. It's going to be done right. So this actually brings it out on the driver's side, which will be way better for the radiator that I picked. So I'm fired up with this. Like, this thing is sick. Shout out to Reese, the guy who got me the relocate brackets for my power steering and my alternator. He's the one who told me that the 2010 6.2 liter Camaro is the same spacing. So I mean, this is literally bolt on and good to go. So yeah, I'm fired up. I mean, yeah, it's just a water pump, but this is just gonna clean it up and it's gonna look freaking sick. So, anyways, enough talking. What up, Summit Racing? Right here, we got my fuel pump mount, my 90 PSI fuel pump. This is my 10 micron fuel filter with already 6AN fittings on it. Everything Summit Racing, that's Summit brand. We got the LS6 style intake bolts. Whoa, that was horrible. We got some billet, ICT billet spacers to go on my chuck injectors. Where do I have an injector? Here, somewhere. Boom. So, these bad boys, right there, those spacers go on the bottom of this injector and they give you the proper spacing to go in. So in my fuel rail goes like that. These ICT billet spacers go in here. That's to allow me to run my lower LS6 intake with this and still fit these fuel rails on there and whatnot. So shout out to ICT Billet Summit Racing for having everything under one roof. Fire me up. I'm like a kid at a candy store right now, seriously. I've been waiting for this stuff and it's been delayed in shipping. There's more stuff. What do we have here? Boom. This is my flex plate adapter or spacer, sorry. That bad boy and 11 millimeter flex plate bolts, super rare. Bolt Supply House, most bolts places can't even get them in. 2 to 3 weeks away in shipping, which I waited anyways, but bam, Summit Racing 90 PSI fuel pump. That sucker's got some weight, so you know she's well built. That bad boy. Boom. All the AN fittings and whatnot. What else do I put with that? That should be her. So, anyways, my 10 micron fuel filter will go up line of this. Summit Racing, Summit Racing. Yee. Well, that's it for now. I'm gonna start bolting some stuff up here, probably in the morning, but stay tuned. Hey there, how's it going today? We are back. It is the morning after, about 6:15 a.m. Nice and early start. Yeah, I want to put out some content for you guys. Another package that I had at the house here. This thing, I gotta bring it over and show you guys this thing. Bam. That is my 100 PSI regulator. All my AN lines I need just for the regulator part. But I mean, you look at that, mounted up and plumbed into my 90 PSI pump. Gonna be regulating at 58 PSI. So yeah, happy. So we're gonna cut to some time lapsing. I'm gonna put my water pump on, I'm gonna put my flex plate on. Accessory got it. Well, here we are. She's in, she's bolted up, cross members in. My heater core hoses, they bolt right up, they're the same size. That's always a plus. My power steering return, the power steering return is good to go. That fits. I just have to shorten the hose and do a couple Lambert cold bends. What else? High pressure side, I'm gonna need a custom hose made. So, I mean, that's whatever. But, I mean, I am beyond thankful that I am building this and able to work on it. I guess words really can't put or fathom how important this Jeep build is to me. So, I mean, if you like it, please like, share, subscribe, whatever. She's gonna be super deadly. I mean, it's gonna look pretty good. So I'm just gonna kneel down here. It's sleeper style. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so anyways, if you tagged along this far in the video, I appreciate it a lot. If you haven't subscribed, please do it. I mean, it's free, whatever. So, and if you want, share, like, whatever. So you guys have a good weekend. Next week I will do a video on the fuel system, the cross member, and I should have my Holley Terminator X Max by then. Other than that, that's it. Thanks for tagging along. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good weekend.